Marikina starts with Sidney Mosqueda, Jonathan Medina, Deo Timajo, Reggie Boy Basibas, Johnny Valin. I think Valin and Basibas might be the centers. They're not Deo. The Quezon naman, Cyrus Tabi, John Abate. Will Macaloni will start tonight sa bench si Cedric Manzano, Jolo Manansala, and Chris Lalata. You are very familiar with, having worked with
buong ano niya, college.
buong collegiate ba?
Collegiate niya, nasabi siya.
Hindi umabot ng 7 year.
Hindi, sayang.
Have in their hands right now.
Intensity. He's very intense when he plays basketball. Offensive, defensive and offensive rebounding. His defense is really good. He came from LaSalle Green Hills. Tapos he was recruited by Coach Jeff Napa to play for NU.
Bigay kay Lalata, soft touch, Chris Lalata.
Yeah, another good player here is Chris Lalata.
Pero si may nagano pa pala siya, dumaan pala siya sa Bacolod. So, kaya pala nagmano sa'yo. Chris Lalata, certain decisions in life,
Yun yung kailangan, mag-isip ka na mabuti.
Oo, okay.
100% pa rin.
100% wala pa rin mintis, coach. If practice is like 5 minutes away from your house,
Yes.
okay, it's a smart decision.
Yes.
I would too.
Isipin mo, di ba? Kahit gumising ka ng late, from that coffee, going dun sa pagbabasa mo ng mga news, malaking bagay yun.
Coach, I'm sorry. Pero Coach Gabi, that is like routine. Lalata has not missed in the preseason. Pasalamat tayo sa Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community. So, kaya etong Quezon Huskers, first class organization dito sa MPBL. And Cedric Manzano is also turning out to be a first class big man dito sa MPBL. There, Basibas being helped up. Hierro, oh, nice pass.
Good pass. They're really gelling already at this.
Alam ko, pinagdaanan mo yan. 10 buwan, di ba?
Ang hirap mag-champion dito sa MPBL.
Lalo na, maintaining the standards for 1 year.
Kailangan maintindihan nyo ng lahat.
Championship programs is that crucial ang suporta ng management.
Exactly.
Lagi. The ones who are well supported, mga management group na hands-on talaga, na ownership group na mga hands-on talaga.
Pag yun ang nagulo, magugulo.
Stonet sa Zamboanga.
Stonet Roque, yes.
Oh, si Coach Alvin also. Mga
Alvin Muño.
Lagi nating yan.
And all the people in Zamboanga.
Malapit talaga sa puso ni Coach Vic ang Zamboanga. Matagal siya doon eh.
Transferred to Zamboanga. And from Zamboanga,
the Quezon Huskers in command, 21-12. Marikina, one of the, as you mentioned, developmental teams here in the
MPBL. Basta lahat ng city, magkaroon talaga ng sports program.
Oo. Pero dito yung pinakamagastos coach eh. Alam mo bakit umiiyak ang mga coach at ang mga players?
Which we feel also was a good move. Parang hinog na siya.
Timajo, Minerva, naagaw ni Escoto. Escoto is blocked by Clavera.
Very exciting. Alam mo, ito namimiss ko sa MPBL.
Oh, run and gun and turnovers.
Pero ano yun eh, kasama yun talaga sa sa run and gun.
Kasama sa saya natin.
Saya yun. The turnovers.
Minerva, back to Don Vera. Ayaw tumira. Naagaw ni Basibas. Clavera gustong sumabay.
That's illegal goaltending. Defense kasi ng Marikina started to clog on the ball. They're trying to pressure everybody. So nag-pick up na rin sila. There you go. That's goaltending called by the referee. Good call.
Another steal here for Marikina. Deo Timajo back to Sidney Mosqueda. He pulled to within 2 points here. Couple of turnovers from the guards of Quezon. Timajo, great patience, and Mosqueda Fantastic trail job there to score. And look at the defense of Quezon. Mosqueda sees a gap. A three is good. Konting over Mosqueda.
Yeah.
Abate, free throw line jumper is money.
Looks so easy for him.
Pinadeliver ka na Flowers. Dito lang kami.
Dito lang kayo.
Manansala fires a three. Yes! He's got a nice stroke as well,
Yes,
coach.
yes, a very good defense.
Yeah, Abate with the extra pass. Spreads it out wide to for three. Deo Timajo, short. Lander Cannon sticks it back in.
Before the score of Cannon,
Macaloni misses from point blank range. Escoto, the bounce pass. Whoa, what a finish. Reggie Boy Basibas absorbs the contact from La.
down by 1 point. Isa na lang.
Pwede tumapla dito.
Oo.
Nakaagaw ulit ang Marikina. Basibas banks it in.
At lamang na ang Marikina. Marikina's leading by 2 points.
Escoto score. Bale, naagaw ni Tabi. 3-on-2 break. Lalata lays it in. 15 seconds.
And that's 11 points of Chris Lalata here in the ball game.
Sayang to kasi they had a chance to score on the
Score,
other
yeah.
end. So definitely a 4-point swing here against.
Is it the venue or is it the?
Is it the? It's the people.
It's the
It's the people. It's the people.
Or is it the team who's playing?
It's all of them. Alam mo naman, coach, MPBL to. Lander Cannon, nag-adjust, pumasok!
Pumasok!
What a shot!
That's his 10th point here in the ball game.
Lander Cannon also had a strong game against San Juan. Here he is. Ganda
That's a
ng touch.
challenge din siya kasi sa bumabantay sa kanya si Macaloni eh.
Ganda
Gusto
ng
niya
touch.
nagpakita eh.
Yeah, ang ganda ng touch ni Lander doon. So, we go into the break after that early deficit to take a 4-point lead against the Quezon Huskers. We'll be right back. Work here against Lander Cannon. Spins baseline, finishes with a right hand.
Signature move of Cedric Manzano.
Oh, hindi makawala kay Yero. Nandito ang action sa kabila. Medina will launch and hit.
Ano, sa ilalim.
Ito Quezon.
Oh, itong Quezon, I mean.
Cañete converts.
6 points.
Abate. Swings it over to Dario. Dario, fade away, good.
Good shot by Dario. That's the first two.
Maho with a steal. It's a 2-on-1. Escoto pulls up. He gets it to drop.
Good decision.
This rebound ni Macaloni. Ahead to Diego Dario. Leaves it to Tabi. Tabi using the right hand.
That's the first 2 points.
Over. Dario to Yero. Bagsak kay Macaloni. Easy
Good
to.
pass.
Back to against the Marikina Shoemasters.
Dangerous yung Quezon once they start running. Ang hirap na nilang pigilin.
A potent force, the Huskers. So far though, Lalata is there. Labas kay Mosqueda, the extra pass. Medina for three, no good. Timajo, the offensive rebound. That's P3. Tabi nails the three ball and we're tied at 46. Mosqueda, nice shot fake. Got Macaloni in the air and stayed composed.
Pero laban yung ano eh.
Tabi. Escoto with a steal. 2-on-2. Mosqueda lays it in with the left hand. Grabe. Marikina's back is blocked by Basibas. Takbo si Medina. Stops on a dime and sinks the jumper.
And may push naman talaga kahit pa paano.
Natapik, recovered by Tabi. Abundo for 3. Could be big. Kasi ano na papunta na yung Marikina. Mosqueda. Kumpiyansa.
Pinawi agad.
Conscious right now, Coach Vic.
Yes, and that's his 14th point, ha? Maganda rin ang linalaro niya dito.
Escoto now with Basibas. Binabatay ni Cañete. Mosqueda will launch again. Sidney Mosqueda.
Back-to-back 3 points.
60-53. Tabi crossover. Labas kay Abundo. He'll fire. Yes!
Raining 3 points here in Paco Arena.
And will go into the fourth with a 4-point lead against the Quezon Huskers.
The game was when the game is going to start, yun ang iniisip ko eh. Pero tingnan mo naman,
And
4 points.
yeah, second and third quarters where they did a lot of damage. Let's side of Tabi. Tabi will fire again. Manzano with the offensive rebound and he scores on the
Favorite shot by Manzano.
Mosqueda, is he still hot? Yes, he is! Mainit pa rin! Cannon. A lot of contact there, but no foul. Cannon takes that ball away from Manzano. Oh, pass was behind Lander. Dario takes it strong to the cup using the left hand. Diego Dario. Abate, Hierro back to Dario. Wide open. We are tied at 67.
Good ball.
Parang hindi preseason. Timaho launches and hits.
Pinawi ka agad. Nakasabi lang natin na tabla na tayo.
Dario from the corner. Back to back. For Diego Dario. He's up to 10.
Good pass by
Oh,
Silas
lot
Tabi.
of contact there. Bagsak si Manzano at si Basibas. May foul on Basibas. 11 points para kay Sedden is reached double figures, 2 for 2.
Parang ang dali sa kanya maka-double figure.
Maraming salamat sa LGR. Giap is fouled by Manzano. No good. Giap with a Escoto rather.
Napaganda pa. Napaganda pa.
Tabi. There's a bump in there and Manzano cleans it up.
Was it a shot or a pass?
Manzano against Cannon. Drugay kay Hierro. 3. Yes!
Big shot by Hierro. That's his first.
Against Hierro na agaw ni Joshua Hierro.
Big defensive stop.
2 for 2. Timaho. Oh!
Oh!
Ibang klase ka. Leo Timaho.
Grabe.
And the ability to... Hierro. Oh!
Grabe.
7 straight points para kay Joshua Hierro here.
Ilan ang 3 points?
To Cannon. Lander takes it and hits.
They're now only down by 2 points.
4-second differential. Game clock and shot clock. Both teams in penalty.
And the crowd there is going wild.
May timeout pa ang Quezon. Oy, nakaagaw. Marikina. Timaho for the lead. No! Lalata is fouled. And he will be sent to the free throw line.
Minadali nila eh. Oh, yeah.
It was a great
tila,
shot.
oh.
It was an open shot. It was a great look.
Kasi ibang story yun. Pumasok yun. That's
Players are really just enjoying yung competitive nature nitong laro. It's a two-possession advantage for Marikina, for the Huskers rather. Oh, good catch by Medina. And that's it. That should be it.
I think that's it. That was
Iba. That,
ng distance sa sa Quezon Huskers.
kahit kulang kami ngayong sa game na to, no? Hirapan at mahirapan kayo sa amin. For the second straight game, it's Cedric Manzano who earns player of the game honors para dito sa Quezon Huskers. He was steady nung fourth quarter. Ito si Cedric Manzano.
Talagang siya, that's his game eh. Talagang steady lang siya, hindi siya nagpapanik, kalmado siyang player.
Inside baskets, Joshua Hierro though had a